This just in, humanity stands at the threshold of its greatest adventure, a journey that will take us farther than we have ever dreamed possible. For countless generations, we have gazed up at the night sky, our imaginations ignited by the twinkling lights above. We have wondered what mysteries and wonders might lie beyond our world, and what secrets the universe holds. Today, our robotic probes have ventured past every planet in our solar system, exploring strange new worlds and sending back breathtaking images and data. Yet, our solar system is just a tiny island in a vast cosmic ocean, a mere speck in the unimaginable expanse of space. The real journey begins where our sun's influence ends, at the edge of the Heliosphere, where the solar wind gives way to the interstellar medium. Voyager 1, our most distant explorer, has crossed into interstellar space. This is not science fiction, but a remarkable reality unfolding in our lifetime. These probes are our scouts, our eyes and ears in the unknown, bravely sending back data from regions no human has ever seen. They reveal a universe more vast and wondrous than we ever imagined, filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The scale is staggering. Our entire solar system is like a single grain of sand on an infinite beach, lost in the immensity of the cosmos. To reach even the nearest star, our fastest spacecraft would need tens of thousands of years, a journey that stretches the limits of our technology and imagination. Yet, this vast emptiness is not a barrier, but a challenge, daring us to dream bigger, to innovate, and to build faster, more capable ships for the generations to come. Out there, scattered across the darkness, are billions of stars and countless planets, each one a potential new world waiting to be discovered. Among them may be worlds like our own, with blue oceans, clouds, and the possibility of life. Places that could one day become new homes for humanity. The search for another blue living planet is more than a scientific quest. It is a journey that could redefine our place in the cosmos, and perhaps our very understanding of life itself.
To truly grasp what lies beyond our world, we must first come to terms with the immense scale of our own cosmic home, the solar system. Consider this: light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 8 minutes to travel from the Sun to Earth, crossing nearly 150 million kilometers in that brief time. To reach Neptune, the most distant planet in our solar system, that same beam of light needs more than 4 hours, reminding us just how spread out our neighborhood is. Every moment of human history, every story ever told, has unfolded on this tiny blue dot, floating in the vastness. But as we zoom out, our entire solar system shrinks to a mere speck, almost invisible against the backdrop of the galaxy. The Sun, which seems so central to us, is just one ordinary star among hundreds of billions scattered throughout the Milky Way. And each of those stars could have its own family of planets, moons, and perhaps even life. If you tried to count every star in our galaxy, naming one each second, it would take you over 12,000 years, longer than all of recorded human history. Yet, the Milky Way is just one galaxy among billions, each with its own stars, planets, and mysteries, scattered across the observable universe. This perspective isn't meant to make us feel insignificant, but to inspire awe and wonder at the sheer scale and beauty of the cosmos. The universe is unimaginably vast and rich with possibilities, full of places to explore, questions to answer, and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Leaving our solar system is like stepping out the front door for the very first time, venturing into a much larger world. The nearest stars are unimaginably far away, separated by distances our minds can barely comprehend. But they are out there, waiting for us to reach them. The journey into the unknown begins with that first bold step, a leap into the cosmic ocean. Our cosmic neighborhood is vast beyond measure, and as a species, we are only just beginning to explore its endless wonders. Who are our neighbors? The closest star system is Alpha Centauri, a triple star system over 4 light-years away. Proxima Centauri, a faint red dwarf, is our nearest stellar neighbor. A bit farther is Barnard's star, another red dwarf, moving quickly through the galaxy. In 10,000 years, Barnard's star will be our closest neighbor. Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky, is actually a pair, a hot blue-white star and a tiny white dwarf. These stars show the diversity right on our doorstep. There are red dwarfs, binary systems, and stellar remnants. Each is a potential destination with its own planets and stories. Exploring them is like meeting the families on our cosmic street. Each neighbor has something to teach us about our place in the galaxy. For most of human history, our understanding of the cosmos was limited to the planets we could see in our own solar system. Ancient astronomers gazed at the night sky, charting the movements of familiar worlds like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, never imagining what might lie beyond. Everything changed in the 1990s, when astronomers developed innovative techniques to detect planets orbiting distant stars, worlds we now call exoplanets. With new technology and powerful telescopes, the search for other planets truly began. By carefully observing a star's subtle wobble or a tiny dip in its brightness as a planet passes in front, scientists have uncovered thousands of exoplanets. Each discovery has expanded our view of the universe and our place within it. Data from missions like the Kepler Space Telescope have revealed that planets are incredibly common. There may be as many planets as there are stars in our galaxy, if not more. The universe is teeming with possibilities. These exoplanets come in all shapes and sizes. Some are massive gas giants called hot Jupiters, others are rocky super-Earths, and many fall somewhere in between. Astronomers have even found planets orbiting two stars, like something out of science fiction. The diversity is breathtaking. Some worlds are covered in molten lava, others are frozen solid, and some are shrouded in thick alien atmospheres. Many of these planets are unlike anything we know, with exotic landscapes and extreme environments that challenge our imagination. Yet, our ultimate goal remains to find a planet that resembles Earth, a world with the right conditions for life as we know it. We search for rocky planets in the so-called habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist on the surface. The presence of water is crucial, as it's considered a key ingredient for life. Finding a water-rich world would be a monumental step forward. Discovering such a planet would be a profound moment in human history, sparking new questions about life beyond Earth. It would suggest that we may not be alone in the universe, and that life could exist elsewhere among the stars. The universe is a prolific planet maker, constantly forming new worlds and swirling disks of gas and dust around young stars. Our solar system is just one example among countless planetary systems, each with its own unique story. The search for exoplanets has only just begun, and every new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. Each new world we find is a step toward answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we truly alone in the universe? Let's visit Barnard's star just under 6 light-years away. A dim, ancient red dwarf. For years, astronomers thought they'd found planets here, but early claims turned out to be errors. Science is self-correcting, ideas are tested and sometimes discarded. In 2018, a real planet was confirmed. Barnard's star B, a super-Earth at least 3 times Earth's mass. It orbits far from its star, in a frigid region called the snow line. Surface temperatures are around -170 degrees Celsius, far too cold for life as we know it. Yet, its discovery is monumental. Even old, quiet stars can host rocky planets. Planets can form in all sorts of environments, even in the cold outer reaches. Each new world adds to our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve. The search is full of surprises and lessons. Every discovery brings us closer to understanding our cosmic neighborhood. The universe is more diverse than we ever imagined. Now, let's travel to Wolf 1061, a red dwarf 14 light-years away. Red dwarfs are the most common stars, and great places to hunt for Earth-sized planets. Wolf 1061 hosts 3 planets. The most intriguing is Wolf 1061c, a super-Earth in the habitable zone. It's close enough to its star that it may be tidally locked. One side in perpetual day, the other in eternal night. In between, a twilight zone could offer mild temperatures and the best chance for life. Rivers of meltwater might flow from the hot side to the cold. The sky would glow red and orange. If life exists here, it would cling to this narrow band between fire and ice. Red dwarfs can be volatile, but the possibility of life drives us to look closer. Wolf 1061c is one of the closest potentially habitable exoplanets we know. The search for life continues, fueled by hope and curiosity. The space between stars isn't empty. It's filled with a thin soup of gas and dust, the interstellar medium. Our solar system is moving through the Local Interstellar Cloud, a patch of cosmic fog about 30 light-years across. The sun's magnetic field creates a protective bubble, the heliosphere, shielding us from the raw galactic environment. At the edge, the solar wind collides with the interstellar medium, a frontier explored by the Voyager probes. This interstellar material is the raw ingredient for new stars and planets. By studying it, we learn about our galaxy's history and our own origins. Our solar system is an active participant in the life of the galaxy. Our solar system sits inside the local bubble, a vast, hot, low-density cavity in the interstellar medium. This bubble was carved out by ancient supernova explosions millions of years ago. Being inside the local bubble means less dense interstellar gas and dust, and a faint glow of X-rays from those ancient blasts. The bubble's edge is a frothy boundary where new stars are born. The shock waves that cleared our neighborhood may have triggered the birth of new stars and planets. Our quiet corner is bordered by regions of intense cosmic creation. The galaxy is dynamic, shaped by the birth and death of stars. Why look beyond our solar system? Because curiosity is the engine of human progress. Exploring space helps us understand our origins. We are made of stardust, forged in ancient stars. By studying other stars and planets, we piece together our cosmic ancestry. The search for life is the most compelling reason to look outward. Finding even simple life elsewhere would transform our understanding of our place in the universe. If we are alone, it underscores the preciousness of life on Earth. The journey is difficult, but it is our destiny. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. The stars are not just distant lights, they are destinations and promises of new wonders. The journey has just begun.